Welcome to the Sage Doctor video about how to see item sales history by customer list in Sage 50. To identify the customers from the list, click the Business Status tab on the side panel. Then, click Customize button. Customize Business Status window will appear to make any customization. Then, you can click the OK button. You can see the top customers in the list in the 12 months. You can also add the list of customers to the dashboard. Click My Dashboard to customize the customer list. Check the customers from the list to check the gross sales. The customers and sales tasks can further reveal more details. Use the Customers and Sales tab. Under Customer Management you can further customize the customers. Check the customer list to check sales. That is how you can view item sales history by customer list in Sage 50. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.